Today's content is all about making high protein breakfast. Okay, so these are all the ingredients you needed. Let me show you. So you need milk around 150 ml. These are the 7 egg whites and 1 egg yolk. Along with this you have 60 grams of oats, and these are all the yellow leftovers, and these are the dry fruits. You need to add it at the end, and I'm using jaggery instead of sugar. You can use sugar or jaggery. All right, so keep it low, the flame, then add the milk. This is 150 ml of milk. You add it. All right, then so here, so these are the 7 egg whites. You add it right now, just like that. So just keep mixing it. You can slightly increase the flame of the gas. So this is the jaggery you need to add. You can add sugar also instead of this. So keep mixing it for a while, let's say about 30 to 40 seconds. Then take the oats, add it, and then again keep mixing it.
Keep stirring it well.
Okay, keep stirring it well. So let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Until then you just keep stirring it. Okay, this is how it looks like after mixing it well for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the end part. So after it's done, add it to a bowl. So right here I have added 7 eggs. So depending on your diet, I mean your eating capacity and digestion capacity, you can increase it or decrease it based on your this thing. And then after done, so I'm adding some dry dates and then raisins. This is a cashew and then badam, all those things just at the toppings. So these are all good for healthy fats, and these have little minerals also, vitamins also. So this is how it looks at the end. So I'm ready to eat.